Let's make a corset top using this skirt. First, I deconstructed it, then I cut out all the pieces. I used the same pattern pieces I used for the red dress I posted recently. Then I constructed the bodice. So this is going to be fully lined. I cut 2 sets of the bodice pieces. And then I just sew it at the side seam and the princess seam. Then I lay this tulle fabric and I cut it out. Then I stitch it all the way around so they will become one. I added the bodice lining. Right sides of the fabrics are facing, and then I stitch along the neckline. After that, I grade the curve area so the fabric will lay flat. I also trim off the excess seam allowance to get rid of the bulk. I understitch it and then added the zipper. Then I finish the lining. I'm just going to hand stitch it. I will finish the hem by using a bias binding. So I'm just placing it on the hem of the garment, and then I'm just going to sew it all the way around, fold it twice to wrap the raw edge. Then top stitch it down, and this is what it looks like. The inside is so pretty. I decided to add these velvet straps that I had been saving for a perfect project, and there it is. How pretty is that?